To connect a wallet to Uniswap, you will need to have a digital wallet that supports Ethereum, such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Ledger Live. First, make sure you have a wallet installed and set up on your device. If you do not have a wallet, you can download and install one from the official website of your preferred wallet provider. Once you have a wallet, navigate to the Uniswap website and click on the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. This will open a window with a list of available wallet options. Select the wallet you have installed, such as MetaMask, and follow the prompts to connect it to Uniswap. If you are using MetaMask, you will be asked to confirm the connection in your MetaMask wallet. Click on the Next button, then the Connect button to confirm. You may be asked to enter your wallet password to complete the connection. After connecting your wallet, you will see your Ethereum address and available balance displayed on the Uniswap website. You can now use Uniswap to trade, swap, and manage your Ethereum-based assets. It is essential to keep your wallet and private keys secure to prevent unauthorized access to your funds. Always use a reputable wallet provider and follow best practices for securing your digital assets. To ensure a safe and successful experience on Uniswap, make sure your wallet is updated to the latest version, and you have a sufficient amount of Ethereum in your wallet to cover transaction fees. Additionally, be aware of the current market conditions and prices before making any trades or swaps. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can connect your wallet to Uniswap and start exploring the world of decentralized finance. Remember to always prioritize security and do your own research before making any investment decisions.